let's get back to Huxley's typing apes analogy.
Just kind of silly.
Let's just play it through. Let's imagine a special typewriter with user-friendly keys to apes, with 50 keys comprised of 26 capital letters, 10 numbers, 1 space bar, and 13 symbols for pronunciation, punctuation, etc. How long would it take an average operator, the apes here, to correctly type the 23rd Psalm by randomly striking keys on the typewriter? To obtain the answer, let's first consider the first verse of Psalm 23, which reads, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." Very famous, you all know this, I'm sure.
Okay, well, according to the multiplication rule of probability, in simplified form, the chance of correctly typing the 3 designated letters "the" from the possibilities is 1 in 50 times 50 times 50, which equals 125,000. At a rate of 1 strike per second, the average time taken to make 125,000 strikes is 34.72 hours.
Okay, so there we have it. The chance of randomly typing the 8 keys, 7 letters, and 1 space in the right sequence for the 2 words "the Lord" is then, if we just work it out, 1 in 50 times 58 times. That's 50 to the 8th power. So that's 1 chance in 39,062,000,000. Now, there are 31,536,000 seconds in a year. So at the rate of 1 strike per second, that would be 1,238,663.7 years
Seems to be getting a little trickier
2 words
go along here. Yeah.
to the Lord.
So the time taken on average to correctly type the whole of verse 1 in the 23rd Psalm, which contains 42 letters, punctuation, spaces, would be 50 to the 42nd power,
right,
divided by the number of seconds in a year, which is 7.2 times 10 to the 63rd years. Yeah. Unbelievable.
That's a lot of years.
Yeah.
And the time taken, on average, to correctly type the whole 23rd Psalm, and this was Huxley's argument, remember, made up of 603 letters, verse numbers, punctuation, and spaces, would be 50 to the 603rd power. That gives us 9.552 times 10 to the 1,016th power years. Incredible.
So if the letter B stands for billion, this could be written like this. But for the evolutionist age of the Earth is only 4.6 billion years, and the evolutionist age of the universe is only around 13 billion years, right?
So it doesn't work at all.